Can't have just one.
Never seen you before.
Cloud, been waiting for you to show up. Thanks for coming, and welcome to our humble training hall. Jules, head trainer. If you've got some time to spare, how about a little bit of fun? Want to try taking on one of our guys?
You're not serious, are you? Look at him! He's a scrawny little thing. I could snap him like a twig.
Now, I wouldn't judge this one by his muscle mass. What do you say, Cloud? If you want to give it a go, just let me know. So, you up for a round?
Ha! You're taking me on? You look like a dried up old terpsichore left out in the sun. You got no idea what you're getting into, little man.
All right, enough talk. We'll settle this the tried and true traditional way. A squat off. Now, let's all see what you've got.
You ready to do this?
You can do better than that.
Don't forget to breathe. I knew you could do it! Your form's looking good! Not bad at all. That's how it's done. You've got this, come on! I knew you could do it! Not bad at all. That's how it's done. Your form's looking good. That's how it's done. Come on, one more rep. Not bad at all. I knew you could do it. You've got this, come on. Your form's looking good. You lost this one, but I know you'll get them next time.
Didn't I say I'd destroy you, little man? If you want a rematch, you better put some muscle on those chicken legs first.
Thought I saw something in you. Well, if you ever feel like swinging by again, I'm sure someone here will be up for another round or two of squatting.
Fight with the pain.
Hey!
Almost done.
Up for another squat off already?
No way I'm letting you win!
Not bad at all.
I knew you could do it! That's how it's done. You've got this, come on! You should try to get into a rhythm. I knew you could do it!
Your form's looking good.
That's how it's done.
Not bad at all.
You've got this, come on! I knew you could do it!
Not bad at all. Your form's looking good.
That's how it's done. You've got this, come on!
The best you can do. Your form. Don't forget to breathe.
That was easy.
Ow! How the hell did I lose to this scrawny little kid who looks like he doesn't even consume his daily recommended amount of protein?
Ronnie, you know it's all about quality, not mass. You're too quick to judge people by their build. That and your overtrained ego are the main reasons you lost to our bold challenger here. Thanks for helping me teach my boys a valuable lesson. And sorry for dragging you into it. Cloud, we're all one big family here at this gym. And now you're part of it. If you're ever up for training, our doors are always open to you. Let's work together to maintain healthy minds and bodies.
Endurance and determination. That's what counts.
That's the spirit.
This is it.
Chocobo bean popcorn here, shaped like everybody's favorite
My wallet and my other map.
Not if you don't make it out of here alive first.
Leave me alone. I'm nothing but a hollow shell of a man without my inspiration.
Been playing about 40 minutes
Belt it
now.
out. You got this.
Thank you. I signed with Shina Records a while back, but I'm still looking for my first big hit. It's been 7 years now. Not easy, but you gotta do what you love. And I love to sing. This is a new song of mine. Maybe it'll be that number one. I can't see the stars like this.
Towers is.
Can't have just one. The more you eat, the better they get. Fresh Chocobo bean popcorn.
There's nothing more fun than scouring the rack.
Welcome.
Perfect.
Anything in particular you're looking for? Oh, you must be the merc I've been hearing about. I need you to help me out with my dad. His drunk ass has been at the bar for hours now. Could you bring him back here? He's probably 3 sheets in over at Drunkard's. Just over there.
There's nothing more fun than scouring the racks for the perfect.
Wait up, Cloud! Sam caught me up on everything. He said you're gonna go rescue Tifa. And to do that, you're trying to learn all about wall market. Bro, I know this town like the back of my hand, so I can answer all of your questions. Now, let's go knock this one out. The bar's this way, Cloud. Drunkards, here we come. Are we even allowed to walk through the door? It's mostly the same folks every night, so...
And I'm
Come
welcome.
on, you can't just waltz in there uninvited.
Loud.
Listen,
Sing it loud.
Hey, old dude!
Huh? Son, is that you? Did you always look so moronic?
Well, right back at you. Yeah, whatever. We're here to take you back to the store.
I'm not going back. Not ever. My life is ruined. It's over. Kill me now.
Come on, there's no need to talk like that, old dude. I'll help you out with whatever you need.
Really? Oh, thank you, son. See, I made this bet with the materia merchant. A sure thing, but then I lost. And so I had no choice but to steal my heart and surrender my precious inspiration.
Your precious who with the what now?
Inspiration! Huh. Without it, there's simply no point in me ever going back to the store.
Got it. I mean, I don't got it, but I just need to get your inspiration back, right? Whatever the hell that is. Leave it to me, old dude.
Hey, aren't you gonna go with your friend?
This is my jam. It speaks to me.
Can't have just one. The more you eat, the better.
Out of curiosity. You've been inside now that I think about it. Just wondering. Dad and Pam's got to work. What's your more than
How'd you like a piping hot fun?
I don't even really know how people use. Hey, wait for me! So this is it, huh?
And what do you two want?
I'm here for the precious inspiration you took from the old dude.
Inspiration? Oh, that thing. But I didn't take it. I won it fair and square.
It's mine by rights now.
Well, that's true.
But I tell you what, I'll consider giving it back in exchange for a favor.
What you need?
Something only real men can deliver. I need you to go and get me something from the vending machine at the end. You know what? You know.
No, I don't think I...
Wait, the sauce.
The sauce?
Stop saying the sauce. Anyway, good luck.
The time has come for me to wield my powers of assassin. I can feel it. Oh, I can feel it. I'm in for one wild ride. I'm gonna see some weird shit tonight. This is what I said.
To taste the blizzard. It's like my mouth is like a broken.
Look, a Type 60 tank. I have... Hey, are you really leaving me out here? You need me. You need my knowledge and expertise to unlock the machine's secrets. That's it. That's the one. It looks like a regular old vending machine, right? But wait. You ready for this? All right. This particular model has secret buttons.
Where?
Well, I can't tell you. It's a secret. You just need to tap into your knowledge and expertise, like grab it and whip it out. And then you'll be able to see everything.
I don't need to whip it out. I've done this before. Watch this.
Whoa, look at you, bro. Huh? Is this the sauce? I don't know.
You're a winner! Have a prize!
Shit, that scared me. Well, we've done what we said we would. Let's go back and talk to the guy. Everyone, look at So this is what it feels like to be a champ.
Come on, you guys.
One more! I mean, yeah.
Hey, I'm talking to you. I said they're good.
What lovely.
Think you're too good for my... Whoa! Pretty rowdy place.
Relax, man. Relax.
Come on, bro, hurry up. Let's show him what we brought back from our little...
Oh, it's you two.
It's time, bro. The sauce.
Huh? What's this thing?
Shit, that's not the sauce.
Boys, it seems I misjudged you. Sorry for making you go to all this trouble for nothing. Don't worry, there's still time for you to learn and grow as men.
Oh, well... If there's anything else we can do, let us know.
Oh, right. Hate to break it to you, but that thing you were looking for? Not here. It's long, long gone.
You shitting me?
Nope. Sorry. As I recall, the guy who runs the restaurant should have it.
Well, I guess we know where we're headed next. Come on, bro.
Well, that's that. Time to polish the old orbs. Give them a spit shine so they positively sparkle. Hey, if you're done here, then get going already.
Restaurant up next, huh? Getting kind of hungry, actually. Hold on. I think it's coming from over there. Nope. Stay focused. We have work to do first.
Call themselves.
I think this is where they say...
Step right up. Step right up.
Let's see what's on the menu today. Hey, wait for me! I still don't know what I want to order yet.
Welcome! Feel free to take any open seats.
Sorry, we're not here to eat. The materia guy gave you something, yeah? We want it.
Materia guy? Oh, you here for that? I'm surprised. Didn't take you for the type. Let me ask you something. Either of you know anything about cooking?
Nope, never cooked once.
That's too bad. For some reason, my food doesn't taste nearly as good as it used to. I was hoping one of you two might be able to help me figure it out. I've narrowed it down to the fridge, the stove, or the power supply, but I'm not sure what's to blame.
Man, I seriously have no idea what it could be. This sucks. I've got it. The problem is, the heat's not high enough.
Oh? Know a little something about fire, do you? Okay then, let me try turning it on to see if you're right. Strange. I know it used to go higher than this. Here, eat up.
Man, this looks great. My stomach. I just remembered something I need to take care of.
Still no good? Back to square one. Oh, and here's a voucher with my apologies. Get the poor guy some medicine, will you?
Drugs. I need all the drugs right now. Out of the way.
Two at a time.
I still can't believe that. I've never seen frozen wings like this.
Hey! Off my doorstep, you bum! You're so weird. The sworn was in my
Sanctuary.
Hey, you! This yours?
Well,
Oh, that a voucher you got there? Should have said something sooner. Come on in. What is it with today? People are dropping like flies.
besides this dumbass?
Loads of them. I got enough outstanding orders to fill a book. I was about to leave and make some deliveries, but...
I'm gonna hurl.
I can't very well leave him alone now, can I? Hey, you're not doing much. Maybe you can deliver that medicine for me. You're, what, military or something, right? Then you must know a thing or two about dealing with the sick and injured. You're a lifesaver, literally. So, let me see, what needs delivering? Here, I need you to deliver both of these. You'll probably find this guy sprawled out on the ground somewhere, but make sure you check his symptoms before giving him meds.
Relax, man. Relax. Gotta relax. Call it a night. Bed's calling my name.
Marlena's the greatest honey girl there ever was. It's an undisputed truth, and I dare anyone try and deny it.
I dare. You are wrong.
wrong, sir. Napoleon may be new, but she is clearly the best. And the only one worthy of being called the greatest.
I'm so excited.
I heard you used to be a
Just woke up one day and realized I'm not a queen bee anymore.
I practice every second I can. It's the only way I'll become the best.
Really cleaning up tonight, eh?
This is gonna be amazing. I can't wait.
I am but a bee fluttering about the garden.
Maybe the breeze will sober you up.
Promise to spend more next time.
I pinky promise.
Only a select few even know it.
One more drink.
So tell me.
Look. Yeah, you and me both. One more. Come on.
There's the rest.
Maybe this is
Chocobo popcorn is absolutely amazing.
This rip took a lot of blood, sweat, and tears.
Can't have just one.
until I see.
You can't expect me to run this place all by myself. I need you to bring him back here as soon as possible.
Chocobo bean popcorn here, shaped like everybody's favorite chocobo.
My wallet in my other bag.
Shit! These are high stakes, man!
It was poison, I tell ya. The sick son of a bitch puts poison in his food.
I've got meds. Let me take a look at you.
Thanks, buddy. Oh, you saved my life. Here, it's not much, but it's yours. I'm grateful for your help, but do you think a guy could get a little privacy?
It's a hard lesson, but one you had to learn.
Can't have just one. The more you eat, the better they get. Fresh chocobo.
Yeah, but monster.
Still can't believe her.
How'd you like a piping hot fun?
And then there was this crazy looking house, right? And it was all like trying to kill him. But then Cloud was all like, bam, bam, boom!
Your friend fought a house. A house?
Oh, hey! Welcome back, bro!
Better already?
Yeah, now he won't shut up. Anyway, how'd the deliveries go?
I did about as much as I could.
That's fair. Still, if you can find the time to deliver the rest, you'd be doing me a pretty big favor. Anyway, I promise to be worth your while. Here, I got something you're definitely gonna like.
What is it?
Well, it belonged to the owner of the clothing store first. Heard from the cook that you boys been running all over town looking for this. Am I right?
Wait, we have? Hold up. What were we doing before all this? Oh, shit! The inspiration!
Bingo! You see, all us Walmart entrepreneurs go way back. We get together for a game every night, bet all kinds of stuff. This found its way into the pool and eventually into my possession, and now it's yours, because, hey, why the hell not? It's a VIP card, highly coveted and extremely rare. They're only given to a select few. Not having it is it's gonna do you much good, but...
Holy mother of... No way! Bro, we gotta get to the honey... I mean drunkards on the double!
Tell the old man I said hi!
Come on, bro, get a move on! So that's the old dude's inspiration! Of course, it's so simple! Get to the drunkards!
Oh, look at that!
Hey, I'm talking to you. I said they're good.
Come on, I got it all!
Chocobos. Hit 'em while they're
My
hot.
heart is beating so fast, bro. Like it's gonna burst right out of my chest. Hey, old dude, we're back.
Huh? Who are you? You're no son of mine. I think.
Special delivery, just for you.
Oh, my inspiration! You've returned to me at long last.
Yo, is that what I think it is?
Oh, you bet it is. And it was hard won. I sewed dresses day and night for those ladies until I got what I was after. A Honeybee Inn VIP card!
I knew it!
Now make way for the VIP, boys! I don't want to keep my ladies waiting any longer. But first, I should pick up a gift dress.
Lead the way, old dude! We are coming!
Can't have just one. The more you eat, the better they get.
Hey!
Well, thanks for bringing him back. Can't imagine what you went through. Here, you earned it.
Hey, you're coming, right, bro? Get ready for a real wall market education.
I'm done with this. You can do whatever the hell you want.
I get it, bro. You're scared. It's only natural for people to fear the unknown. It's a pity you're not gonna join us, but I swear to you, bro, as an aspiring wall market connoisseur, I'm gonna go in there and get as much inspiration as I can handle. For you, bro. For you. Because, Cloud, you are my one true bro. Honeybee Inn, here I come!
Inspiration, here I come!
Perfect example of how age has absolutely nothing to do with maturity.
Couldn't agree more. Should probably go see Sam again.
Tonight we're getting...
So weird. So where are the
So, tell me, what'd you see in our little enclave of sin and debauchery? Bet it was an eye-opening experience.
Nothing I haven't seen before. That it for jobs?
Not exactly. I got one more favor to ask. You want to get teeth out, right?
What's your angle?
Just get your ass to the Coliseum. You'll see.
Can't have just one. The more you eat, I can't wait for the...
Hey, look, it's the champ!
You know what to do. Take the elevator and head on down. I can't wait to see you fight.